So the video starting. Someone got stabbed. God, please tell me they get rid of that in the next game. Good grief.
Well, I think it only happens on this arena, and I was planning on upgrading the PWC arena.
Oh, because we've got so many viewers now.
Venue.
25 people watched The Rock versus whatever the last big match was.
Oh yeah, man, it's big time.
Although,
welcome to my house.
Although 500 people, so you'd be scared of a spider.
Oh yeah, man, it's Minecraft. Maybe the next arena should be Minecraft arena, and we'll get more views. I put like the Minecraft ground texture on the on the map.
Self-up. I'm kneeling on your vagina while doing this.
No more sentence, I promise.
In wrestling, yeah. Twerk. Oh, never mind.
Didn't even twerk. Loser. You'll never be Eve Torres. She should be our speed champion right now.
Yeah, but she lost.
She's a hosky.
Oh, I got the fucking Walter dropkick. You can't escape.
Fucking you. I don't like you. I just got jobbed. It's Tiffy time.
Aww. Come on.
Is this comeback time for Lyra?
No, because I'm about to twerk.
Take any longer to do this moonsault? You're not twerking. You're not twerking.
Forearm.
Alright, come back time. Watch this.
I'm watching.
Watch this. Like I'm holding R1. Oh, nice. It doesn't work all the time. Maybe I did it too early. I swear it's a thing, alright?
You swear it's a thing all you want, that doesn't make it a thing.
I swear I'm gonna kill you.
Nope.
Normal way to reverse a kick. Make my feet go into each other and then fucking grab my arm.
I don't keep needing to do this.
Oh my fucking god!
That's the only move she does from this fucking side.
They go to my head or something.
Oh, wind up longer, why don't you?
Oh, I didn't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Let me get you back in.
Thank you. Easy win.
You whore.